Hanggang sa muli mga bata, like and subscribe for more videos. Salamat!
DZOE TV Channel 11, a commercial TV station with 100 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with station license number BSD 02352020 MOD, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until March 11, 2023. Zoe TV 11 studios are located at the 22nd floor, Strata 2000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe TV 11 operated and maintained by the following engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulations and Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineers, Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 0000042. Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 0001199. Electronics Engineers, Rachel Ann S. Roque, PECE number 0066327. Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, PECE number 0062739. First Class Radio Telephone Operators, Charlie F. Perez, 06-1 PHM-23257. Peter N. Basalote, 06-1 PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence Osandago, 06-1 PV-23313. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is Zoe TV 11, now signing off.
Ang susunod na palabas ay rated PG. Coca-Cola, Tattoo No Limit, Bear Brand Busog-Lusog Family Cereal Drink, Odette. The Bauer Escape Classic, Nido 3 Plus, Ariel Taba at ng Whisper.
Come on! Bye-bye! I got it here! Yay! Let's go! Oh, Dad! Yay! Ano? Coffee. Yay! Nom 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 nom.